My friends, okay, present lesson is changing cultural traditions in Europe. I will just continue lesson, okay? Case for example today. See here, I told you basically, the people are they all believe in the Bible. They believe in the Bible, and the Bible is translated to many languages. And coming to the shopkeepers, the businessman, the woman has given the role after husband. When the husband is away, she should take care of the household works, the shops, or business, whatever it is. And nowadays, companies follow this. In almost every part of Europe, pieces. Almost every part of Europe, every part of Europe, pieces in the farmers began to rebel against the taxes imposed by the church. So what happened now? The farmers, the poor people now, they had a burden. They had a burden by the church asked them to pay taxes. They have to pay taxes. Taxes were heavy taxes. They were high taxes. So the people are now revolted. The people revolted. They said they cannot pay tax. They cannot pay tax. Such high taxes. Okay. By the common court, descended and extorted of churchmen, princes found their interference in the work of state irritating. So what happened now? Princes were ruling the state. They found what not, it was very irritating. What not, they didn't like it. The state, what happened? The farmers were revolting. They were revolting, and they were reversing on the church members regarding the taxes. In 1517, a young German monk called Martin Luther. Okay, it was in the year 1483, 1546. Launched a campaign. He launched a campaign against the church, Catholic Church. He launched a campaign against. He didn't support church. Church support church. With Martin Luther King. Okay, Martin Luther. So, and argued that a person did not need priest to establish contact with God. So, what do people believe in? Suppose they want to contact God. They cannot directly contact God. They have to go to the priest. The priest is the mediator for God and common man. And they will contact. Okay, whatever we ask, we have to ask the priest. And the priest will ask God. But that's what they taught. Really. And we want to put your solution. The only thing is prayer. Prayer and belief in God. You have to know God. Okay? You don't have to believe in the mediator. But in those days, people believe in the mediator. Who the mediator is there? The priest. Okay, the mediator is the priest. So, okay, complete faith. He said, no, you only have, you must have faith. For faith alone to guide them to the right life and enter into heaven. So, what do people think now after death? Whether you go to heaven or hell. People are, what do you think you go to heaven? So what happened? People thought that with contacting the priest and he will contact God, so we can go to heaven. That's what they thought. They believe. But this Martin Luther said, no, nothing. You only you must have trust in God. You must pray to God. Then you will be happy to go after that. You will have that entry to heaven. Not to the priest, So he made fun of the priest. So this movement called the Protestant Reformation. So what is movement? This movement is called as the Protestant Reformation, led to the churches in Germany and Switzerland, breaking the connection with the Pope and the Catholic Church. So this became reality where in Germany and Switzerland. Where? In Germany and Switzerland. Okay, and the connection between the Pope. Who is the Pope? Pope is the head of all churches. The Pope is the main person. Pope and all churches. So in Switzerland, Luther's ideas was popularized by Ulrich Zwingli, in which Luther's ideas was popularized by Ulrich Zwingli, and later by John Calvin. Also, they also like this Mother Luther's ideas. So backed by merchants, so they were supported by the merchants. These ideas were supported by merchants. The reformers had greater popular appeal and down. So the reformers, they would reform the people, told them what to do right back. They were supported by merchants. They were supported by the merchants. So their ideas became the ideas were given influence. Other German reformers like Anabaptists, other German reformers like the Anabaptists were even more red initially. They blended the idea of salvation with the end of all forms of social expropriation. So, Anabaptists, they also reformers. So they also supported him. They said that since God had created all people as equal, so they said God created people. God created people. Okay, He created them all equally. So He didn't say you will be by birth you are rich, you are poor. That belongs to you according to hard work. Okay, so the girls are down, the boys are more. God didn't say God said no. Both the man and woman are both equal. God said. Okay, at the very beginning from then also. So they said that since God had created all people as equal, they were not expected to pay taxes and had right to choose the priest. This appealed to peasants oppressed by feudalism. So even they said no, all people are equal. So okay, they got a good point. God created humans, all are equal. So why should you pay taxes here? Mirata memang dekha, but me pay taxes kadale. God created you all. God created me. So me pay taxes kadale. Who asked? They revolted. Just that is point clearly. So a major achievement of the Reformations was to translate the Bible. So again, the major achievement of the main achievement was to transfer the Bible into many languages. So suppose all the speaking Telugu, you all need to read Telugu only. Suppose the Bible is given in English, can you read? No. So each one has their own language. No. What happened? No, they said to translate the Bible into all the languages. So all people can equally read it. So Bible is the popular languages of the people and printing large quantities and making them available to all people. So what I have done, the main task was to print Bibles, okay, in all languages, and more numbers, so it can be available to all people. Earlier Bible was only in Latin. For starting, Bible was only in which language? Latin language, which ordinary people did not understand. So Latin language and common people did not understand. Only the main people, the educates could understand. The common people did not understand. So, but now the Bible came out in many languages. So the ideas of Reformation took hold of many people in Germany. So this Germany, Holland, France, and England. So the idea of Reformation. So okay, it was taken. Okay, the idea was good. Where in Germany, Holland, France, and England. In all these countries, people with diversity, faith, and interpretations of Christianity emerged. So all the people they believed in Christianity. Okay, thus the monopoly of the Catholic Church was forever broken. So whatever the Catholic Church had rules, the rules are broken. Because every convert could read the Bible directly. So he said no. Okay, all are born equally. So that's what he got. The Catholic Church itself did not escape the impact of these ideas and began to reform itself from within. So actually, the Catholic Church did not like ideas. The ideas naturally. So from inside they were planning again to bring people towards them. So in Spain and Italy, churchmen appraised the need for a simple life and service to the poor. So in the churchmen in Spain and Italy, they said no, you must serve the poor. So in Spain, Loyola, in an attempt to combat Protestantism, set up the Society of Jesus in 1540. His followers were called as Jesuits. His followers were called as Jesuits, whose mission was to serve the poor and to widen the knowledge of other cultures. So his mission was to serve the poor. His followers, Jesus are his followers. His followers must serve the poor and bring them to education. Okay, and treat them other culture. This was his plans. So coming beginning of modern science. So technology is changing. So we will see. Okay, this is a very important thing, everyone. The Middle Ages had accepted the authority as authority. The knowledge of the past handed down from the former generation. The knowledge of the past handed down from the former generations. So whatever they learned from the grandparents or grandfathers, that they were putting down. So what now generation? Most men were not interested in investigating the world in which they live. So actually, what now? He is whatever happened, his ideas are to think more and more. Actually, he always has mind to learn more and more about the universe which he is living in, the world which he is living in. That's commonly a man's mentality. So the few who were interested used strange features of magic, superstition. So that those days they believed in magic and superstitions. What was superstition? Moon namakal. Example, after we have to listen it. Mansika and Kaipo. Suppose again going out now. A woman comes. Who lost a widow, who lost husband. I just go, Arson, Elka. Arson, Mansika. I any go to moon namakal. It's not superstitions. Number no. So, for example, Janam Singh, a vaccine dog over the Janam Bot Theatre, Polo. Bota, I have a diabetes in Boti. So, what now? They believe in magic and superstitions. Okay, man. So, but Robert Bacon, okay, and then Robert Bacon was a serious searcher for truth. Robert Bacon was he was a serious searcher for truth. Okay, he performed some experiments with metals and chemicals and probably at a good microscope. Okay, at a good microscope, so small microscope. He worked out theories that such the practical automobile. Okay, such a practical usefulness of many inventions that had been made. So this Robert Bacon, he invented many inventions. You see, he made the scientific method. He built an observatory from despite Bacon's work, the true scientific spirit did not develop until late in the Renaissance. Okay, he founded he discovered some steamships, automobiles, and everything discovered. But it was followed by another teacher. Okay, long after Robert Bacon, a Polish astronomer, Nicholas Copernicus, in 1473 to 1543, made use of the scientific method. He built an observatory from which he patiently studied the heavens. From here, he studied the heavens, the heavenly bodies, the solar system. So heavenly body. He concluded that whole theory of the universe was wrong. He finalized the whole theory was wrong. The whole theory of Earth is flat. You go to the Padipatam starting only. But finally what happened? We came to know the Earth is round. What is round? Spherical shape. The theory taught the astrophysical geographer, said that the Earth is the center of the universe and stars, sun, stars and planets go on. So Ptolemy said, no, Earth is in center and the stars, moon and sun roam around it. Is it right? The Earth rotates around the sun. Okay, that causes day and night. So that was the theory was wrong. Here, the theory is concluded by Copernicus claimed that the Earth is one of the number of planets and revolve around the sun. So he claimed that the Earth is one of the number of planets and revolve around the sun. Yes, he said this is correct. The church rejected the new theory as contrary of the teachings of the Bible and the church. So the church said, no, it is wrong. It is wrong. You are going away from the Bible. You are going away from the Bible. This is it. So teaching the Bible and church. It seemed to rob man of his dignity because he was no longer in the very short heart of the universe that had been made for him. So he said, no, you are robbing the man. So you are teaching the wrong. It is the wrong. So do not believe him. He said, church members said. Then comes Galileo in 1564. Galileo, 1642. An Italian genius. What is it? Galileo, what is it? He was an Italian. Okay, Italian means he belongs to Italy. Perfected a telescope. Okay, a telescope that made it possible for him to see a ship 50 miles away as clearly as it was only 5 miles away. So Galileo, he invented telescope. He invented a telescope that can see a ship very far. 50 miles away, you can say as it is 5 miles away. So it's clear. Who invented it now? Galileo. So, okay. This instrument also aided the study of astronomy. Galileo was a very popular and brilliant teacher. Galileo was a very popular and brilliant lecturer and writer. He was a lecturer and a writer. Discussing the theories of Copernicus, he told the audiences how he himself had been seen the moons of Jupiter and the revolution of the planet on axis. So he said, yes, I saw with my telescope, I saw Jupiter, I saw the planet, I saw the moons. Okay. For this work, he was summoned to appear before the church court. So at once the church called him. They called him to court. Where he was compelled to take back all his teachings was so long properly tortured. So the church members said, no, you agree that he said is wrong, that you have not seen the planets. Okay, Jupiter and all. So if not, I'll punish you in jail. So what happened? He agreed. Why? Because he was afraid. The court will punish him, the court will punish him. So it is said that he had left the trail. Okay, he was murmured to mutter, but dirt has moved. So he agreed and he walked out of court, but he was muttering. Yes, dirt moves and because the church asked to surrender, so he surrendered his teachings. And he said his teachings were wrong. Teachings were wrong. Galileo also discovered certain laws of pendulum, which made it possible to develop more scientific clocks. So pendulum, is it a clock? Okay, it's called a pendulum. So that was made by whom? It's called by Galileo. In experiments from the beginning, from the learning of town of Pisa, he proved that heavy and light objects fall at the same speed. So Galileo finally he proved no, the heavy and the light objects fall at the same speed. This was taught by the teachings of Galileo. And it proved right. It is right, ma. It is right. So we will always remember Galileo. Okay, ma. So students, I think I close the class. Thank you. Bye.